Video, I'm going to be showing you some settings you need to turn on so YouTube can recommend and push your videos to the right audience. And by the way, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, this is Creators Boost, and on this channel I share tips, tricks and growth tips that you can apply to your channel so you can grow fast. And I also share do's and don'ts that you want to avoid so you don't land your channel into trouble. So if this is your first time of coming across my channel, do well to like this video so it can get to more people. Give your comments and subscribe to my channel so we can grow together. Now, of my content that YouTube is suggesting right now. So as you can see, the first traffic source is browse features and the second is suggested video. As you can see, 32%.1. Alright guys, so the first thing you need to do is to come to your YouTube studio, studio.youtube.com. So if you are familiar with using your YouTube studio, you already know this thing. So you click on it. Once you click on it, you click on continue to studio. So once you reach your YouTube studio, the next thing is to come to customization here. You click on customization and then you click on home tab. You see home tab here. You click on home tab. So you will see this like this. So you can see show your channel home tab to highlight and showcase content for your audience. So customize the layout of your channel homepage with up to 12 sections. So these are the sections that you need that will be showing on your channel once anybody come to your channel. So, and then you see this setting, you need to toggle it on if it is not on. As you can see now, my own is on. So if I off it and then on it again, it will be on. So as you can see that if I off it, this add session also went off. So you need to on it. You need to toggle it on so that this add session can also be highlighted. So once you turn it on, first of all, you need to know the importance of all these things. You click on this add section. You can see channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers. You can see for you, videos, popular videos, short videos, collaborations, live now, multiple playlists, subscription, featured channels. So these are the ones that I can set in, the settings I can do for now, being that my channel is still small. So, but before we go into that, you want to understand why you should turn on these settings. You should arrange all these settings. So you click on this YouTube AI. So I'll just ask him, what is the importance of channel trailer for you and featured video? So just to know the importance of all these things, you understand? Because if you know the importance, you will know that, okay, you have to turn all these things on. So let's wait for it. So as you can see now, these are three featured. These three features are the welcome mats of your channel, and each serves a unique purpose in turning casual visitor into loyal fan of Creator Boost Edge. So you can see number one is channel trailer for non-subscriber. This trailer is your 30 to 60 seconds elevator pitch. It's the first thing people see when they visit your channel but haven't subscribed yet. So the importance is it quickly explains what your channel is all about, what kind of content you post, and why they should hit subscribe. So the best video that is performing well on your channel, you can use the best video that is performing well on your channel for this particular channel trailer. It will really help you to get more views and more watch hours. So, and then featured video, this replaces the trailer for people who have already subscribed. So these are for your already subscribers. So important, it's a great way to reward your existing fans or keep them updated. You can use this spot to highlight your latest big upload, a video that needs more love, or a special announcement. So as you can see, so for you section, this is a more recent addition that uses YouTube's recommendation system right on your channel page. So this one is particularly for YouTube recommendation. So important is provide a tailored experience instead of everyone seeing the same thing. YouTube surfaces a mix of your content based on that specific viewer's history and interest. So if somebody have already watched any of your video before, this is the kind of video that they will suggest, they will recommend for that person based on the person's watch history of your video. So if somebody watch your video about how to gain 1,000 subscriber or how to gain 4,000 watch hour, it is likely that the next video they will suggest to this person will also be based on that particular topic. So you understand? Now that you know the importance of all these things, you know that you should turn them on. So let's go right and turn all of them on. So you come to this add section and click on channel trailer. So you click on channel trailer and you pick the best video that you have. So right now I'm going to pick this video. I'm going to pick this video as my channel trailer. So you click on this add section again and you click on spotlight for returning subscribers. So any video that you know that you want to spotlight, maybe a video that you just recently upload and you want your subscriber to click on it and watch it, so you can just click on your latest video or any video that you want them to watch. So let me just click on this one. So you come to this for you again. And you click on multiple playlists. So these are your playlist of your videos, playlist section. So how to get more views. So these are your playlists that you want people to be watching. I am very sure that you're already familiar with playlists before. So you click on all the videos that you want to include in your playlist, and then you click on done. So as you can see, all the videos are here now. You can see that all the videos are here now. So you click on add section again. You see featured channel. So this particular one, you can feature your other channels. Maybe if you have 2 or more channels, you can feature your small channel on your big channel. Like if you have a channel that has 20k subscriber or more, and you have another channel that you just created, maybe like the channel is under 1,000 subscriber, and you want people to see that channel, to subscribe to that channel, that your new channel, you can feature the channel here. So all you need to do is just add title, any channel on YouTube, then you search for the channel. So you can just write something like subscribe to my other channel. Subscribe to my other channel. So then you search for the channel name here. Once you search for the channel name here, then you add it and then you click on join. So because I'm not searching for any channel, or let me just search for any channel. So any channel that you have, you can just bring it here. You can see that it's suggesting some channel for me already, but I don't have any channel that I want to add. So I'm just going to cancel this one. So these are the settings that you need to set on in order to make YouTube recommend your videos. So I hope you find this video helpful. Please do well to like this video so it can get to more people. YouTube can push it to more people, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, and I will see you on the next one.